of Bangalore branch, young and energetic and enthusiastic, just took over the charge and always on the move, at least this year, CA Subramania Kamath, and two icons of Bangalore, Srimati Vatika Pai, ex-chairperson of our prestigious Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and Komal Prabhu. She has been recently awarded GSB Sadaki, and you all know she is the Maharani of Maharaja Hotel. And distinguished past chairpersons, CA M.N. Pai, CA Keshava Balluturaya, CA Ananta Padmanabha, and young and charming secretary CA Prasanna Shene, and the treasurer CA Gautam Naik, and distinguished speakers of today's session, CA Shabana and CA Rakshakini, and birthday girl of today and the center of attraction of today, 8th March, one and only CA Daphne, and today's speaker, and all members and beloved students. It gives me immense pleasure to speak on International Women's Day, that too when the session of entrepreneurship comes. See, especially women entrepreneurship, it has got more value than entrepreneurship. So why women entrepreneurship has got value? Today's state budget, whether you know or don't know, lot of hamper they have given in today's state budget also. So up to 2 crores loan at 4% interest, our Chief Minister has proposed for lady entrepreneurs. There may be some slip between the lip and the cup, but beginning has been already done, announcement has already been made, and 60,000 women from self-help group from rural area, they will be giving jobs. That is also today's budget, and lot of milestones in today's budget have already been announced, which is complementing to the central budget. So we should compliment and congratulate Government of Karnataka for facilitating the right direction in which the central government is going. So they are complimenting. Now regarding women, as I already chairman, he has given a spirited speech. So in Subhasita Kala, he always says, earlier our society was Purusha Pradhana society. In Purusha Pradhana society, there was a saying, Udyogam Purusha Lakshanam. Now, days have changed. Women have made a mark in all the sectors, including our finance minister is Nirmala Sitharaman is also a woman, and you may be knowing across the globe, if you see many prime ministers, they are also women. So they have made a mark in not only in political sector, in entrepreneurship, and many women pilots are also there. In various spheres of our life, women have made a mark. We should applaud and congratulate this women entrepreneurship and all the women for coming forward. Now even in our ICAI also, of late you might have seen the results. Recently 29 people have completed CA final. Out of that, majority are ladies. So we should applaud for that also. So earlier it was said, Udyogam Purusha Lakshanam. Now because of all these things have changed, now we have to change that also. Udyogam Manuja Lakshanam instead of Purusha Lakshanam. Earlier when daughter is born in the family, parents were always under tension. Whenever daughter was born in the family, parents were in tension. Now, when daughter is born in the family, she is equivalent to 10 sons. Not 10 sons, 10 sons. So this has been told from age old. Even in our Purana Kalas also, women were respected. Yatra narishu pujyante tatra ramayante devataha. That is there. That is a common thing. Then one more beautiful thing is that I would like to say now, Dashaputra Sama Kanya, Dashaputran Pravardhayan, Yatphalam Labate, Matsastalabhyam Kannayai Ekaya. The meaning of this is, one daughter is equal to 10 sons. It is also told by our Subhashitakara. Whatever phala, that is merits or good results, a person attains by shearing and upbringing 10 sons, the same phala is attained by begetting a single daughter alone. So, our K.S. Kamath will be very happy in that direction because he is having single daughter. So, equivalent to 10 sons.
One more son.
No, daughter. Only single daughter. I am not telling you. A single daughter. To the best of my knowledge, we have only single daughter. Okay. So, she is equivalent to 10 sons. So, today, we should celebrate International Women's Day with pride and joy. And as I already mentioned, in all the spectrums, women have made a mark, and their role in nation building, not only in our as chartered accountants, but also as entrepreneurs, and now women entrepreneurs. Some few thoughts I would like to share. Even chartered accountants, they can become entrepreneurs. Now our CEO Ullas Kamath, we are all aware, he is an entrepreneur by himself. He got CNBC Awards Award for Best FMCG Sector CEO. Moreover, CA Entrepreneur of the Year award also he got from our ICA. So like that, women have also a lot of opportunities which they should encash. Now Stand Up India scheme is there up to 1 crore. There is a provision to give loan without any collateral security. Then women entrepreneurs, not only this, lot of other plethora of schemes have been announced which can be made use. Even Smile scheme of the SIDBI is also there. There are also seed capital is there. And PMEGP and CMEGP schemes are also there. Women, they get additional subsidy also up to 25 lakhs. Cost of the project up to 25 lakhs in manufacturing sector with only 5% margin of the entrepreneur. So, women entrepreneurs are entitled to get a loan from the bank as well as government subsidy up to 25 to 35% also. Even Karnataka new industrial policy also 2025 recently they have announced. In that also women entrepreneurs additional 5% additional subsidies also they have in addition to the normal subsidy for women entrepreneurs, additional 5% subsidy is also available. So when we have so many opportunities for women entrepreneurs, let us encash these opportunities. And today, to address all of us, two icons from Mangalore, both are successful entrepreneurs. These two successful entrepreneurs, definitely they will throw light on women entrepreneurship, opportunities and challenges. Last but not the least, see, ultimately in a life, what is success? Success means people are under the impression that if you have made money, it is a success. If you make only money, it is not a success. Success is much more than making money. What it is? So Subhashitakara also explains that. Very simple. So you should be contented person. Not only making money, you should be contented. Adamaha dhanam icchanti. धनम मानं च मध्यमाः उत्तमाः मानम् इच्छन्ति मानो हि महतो धनम. The meaning of this is low people with small-minded people. They always think of only money. If they make money, everything is for them. And mediocres, they want money. At the same time, they are ready to compromise to some extent respect for the sake of money. They want money and respect. They don't mind in compromising. Whereas Uttamaha, that is Mahan people or Shrestha, that means if you are thinking in a mediocres and when you are thinking in a high, what you can say that with better thinking. So such people, they always want respect. They are ready to compromise for respect, money also. So, mano hi mahato dhanam. That means ultimately respect is the most precious thing in this life, and whatever you get respect, that is a success in life. So, we have invited two respectful ladies, and those who have achieved success in their life, they got lot of awards and accolades, and we have invited them. Let's hear from them. Thank you very much.